Ever lost important data and didn't know how to recover it? In the digital era we live in, data is the lifeblood of our existence. It's in the pictures we take, the work we do, the messages we send. It's our memories, our livelihoods, our connections. But like anything valuable, data is susceptible to loss. A system crash, a virus attack, or even a simple human error can result in the loss of critical data. And the consequences? They can be devastating. That's where the importance of data recovery comes into play. It's the process that can retrieve lost, inaccessible, corrupted, or formatted data from secondary storage, removable media, or files. One effective strategy for data protection is RAID, an acronym for Redundant Array of Independent Disks. By distributing data across multiple disks, RAID provides a safety net against data loss. But how does one recover data from a RAID setup? Stay tuned to find out. Before diving into the recovery process, let's first understand what RAID is. RAID, or Redundant Array of Independent Disks, is a method of storing the same data in different places on multiple hard disks to protect data from hardware failure. There are several types of RAID configurations, each with its own unique set of characteristics. For example, RAID 0 is known for its striping technique, which splits data evenly across 2 or more disks with no parity information for redundancy. It's great for performance but offers no fault tolerance. On the other hand, RAID 1 uses mirroring to duplicate the same data on 2 or more disks. It provides excellent fault tolerance at the cost of storage capacity. Then we have RAID 5, which uses both striping and parity to provide a balance of performance, fault tolerance, and storage efficiency. With a basic understanding of RAID, we can now proceed to the recovery process. Now on to the main event, the process of RAID data recovery. The first step in the RAID data recovery process is identifying the RAID level. This is crucial as it determines the complexity of the recovery. RAID systems can be configured in many ways, each with its unique level of data redundancy and performance. Secondly, it's time to diagnose the problem. Is it a mechanical failure, or perhaps a software glitch? Identifying the issue correctly can save a lot of time and prevent further damage. Next, we move on to replacing any failed drives. This step may sound straightforward, but it's important to remember that replacing a drive without understanding the RAID configuration can lead to catastrophic data loss. The fourth step is rebuilding the RAID. This is where things get really tricky. The data on the remaining drives needs to be arranged in accordance with the RAID level to rebuild the lost data. This process can be incredibly complex and requires a high level of expertise. Lastly, we come to the actual data recovery. Once the RAID is rebuilt, the data can be extracted and saved to another storage medium. This is the moment of truth, where all the hard work pays off. Throughout this process, it's essential to remember that RAID data recovery is not a do-it-yourself project. The complexity of the steps involved requires professional help to ensure the best chance of success. And that, in essence, is the RAID data recovery process. Complicated, isn't it? Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. Data recovery is crucial in preserving valuable information. RAID, or Redundant Array of Independent Disks, is a method used to store the same data in different places to ensure its safety. The process of RAID data recovery is intricate, requiring a deep understanding of RAID levels and the hardware involved. This complexity underscores the necessity of enlisting professional help. Remember, when it comes to data recovery, it's always best to leave it to the professionals. Thanks for watching.